people. Right, I've had a few of the community asking me to make a video on this, so I'm going to show you how to make or add alerts to your OBS through Stream Elements. So if anybody hasn't got these alerts or needs to know how to put the alerts on there, this is a way to do it. So what we'll do is we'll go over to streamelements.com. And basically, you just go to streamelements.com, sign in with your Twitch or your YouTube, Facebook, whichever it is, and we'll go through that now. So we're over on the Stream Elements page. Over here, you've got on the left-hand side, Overlays Gallery. So it's like a little drop-down menu on the left-hand side. Overlays Gallery is what we want to go to. Click on the Alerts, and then you've got this little menu here with all these different pretty awesome alerts, so you want to check these out. We're going to go for the Aftermath animated alerts, so we'll press on create new overlay, unless you want to add it to an overlay that you've already got. Click continue. You can name it there. We're going to keep it as Aftermath. Click continue. Go to my overlays. That part's blanked out because obviously you don't need that code. You'll have your own. Press on go to my overlays. Now you'll have it in my overlays here. So here's the Aftermath animated alerts. Click on edit, and it'll bring you to this screen. This is a straight up 1080 screen as well, so it's 1920 by 1080. So here's the alert page there. So if you click on there, go to settings, tick all the ones that you want to have showing up on the screen. So it'll be like follower alert, subscriber, tip, cheer, host, and raid alerts. You can also have purchase alerts for when people purchase your merch from Stream Elements. So to make sure that this is working properly, we'll go to emulate follower. Boom. There's your follower alert. So what we'll do is we'll click on save at the top right hand corner, and then this little link icon right here on the top right above me, if you click on that, it'll copy the URL. Once you've copied that, we'll go over to OBS. So on your OBS page here, we'll get rid of this one for now, and we'll add a new one. So this is my test scene. So at the moment it's just a blank scene. If you go to the sources panel, on the plus sign at the bottom, press on that. Go to browser. Click on browser. We'll call this test alerts. Press OK. Now it'll come up with this on there. So this little panel will appear on your screen. So the width, you want to take that to 1920. Height 1080. And then if you double click across that, or if you just cover it up, right click in the panel and press paste. It'll paste the the link that you've just taken from Stream Elements. So you press OK, and it'll bring this up. So you'll have like a little red box around telling you that the source is there. So now what we want to do is we go back to Stream Elements, and you press emulate follower just to make sure that's working. Yep, so that's working. But obviously you'll want to use this on different scenes. So the best way to do this, to minimize the box that it's in, so it's not always like dead center or wherever you want to place it, if you right click on the test alert source, go to filters, press add, go to crop pad, add that. Easiest way to do this is for me, follower alert again. Right, so from the left we'll take 500, from the right we'll take 500, from the bottom we'll take 600. So now that is a smaller box that you can now minimize. say put in the center of the screen. So there's that. So you've got all different alerts that you can choose from there as well. So if you go back to the Stream Elements page, you can actually see over here we go, back, go to the Overways gallery, alerts. There is all different alerts that you can choose from. But if you have your own, basically what you can do is on your My Overlays, go back to this. If you've got your own graphic to put in there, go to the alerts box, settings. If you're on the, let's say, the follower alert, if you press on the little cogwheel on the right hand side, you can then change video. So with me, I've got my own graphic, so we'll change the video. We'll add mine, which is this one there. We'll submit that. Right. So we'll save that. And now, when we have a follower, there's that. But there's also other things that you can do as well with this. So you can have your text settings, the variation settings, your text to speech settings, so you can set that to say what you want it to. So you can enable that, which would be there. So you can enable text to speech. With the text settings, you can also change the style, the stroke, letter spacing, and stuff like that. If you go to advanced, you can change it so it's like pulses or whatever as well. That's on the text animation. So at the animation settings, down at the bottom there, you can have this so the text appears later than the actual animation. So if you want it so the text appears after your animation, you can come down here, text appearance delay, so we can set that to say 1.7 seconds. So if we now do the follower, that will show up. I was going to get it so right. We need to change that a little bit more. Say 3 seconds. So emulate follower. So then it shows up after the animation has gone. So there's that. So I'm hoping that helps you out, because now if I save that, we'll go back to OBS. Oh wait. Over here we'll emulate first. Right, follower event. There we go.
Now following.
Now we've got an alert with a text to speech. So I'm hoping that helps anyone who's been needing that. There are a few other alerts and stuff that you can do in there. Yeah, like I said, I hope that helps anybody who's been stuck with that. So there it is, the alerts and everything else. If that's helped you at all, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. There will be more help videos coming soon. I'm going to be doing one for Mix It Up bot with the channel point redemption soon. So make sure you go and check that out when that drops. So thank you very much for coming through. Thank you very much for checking this out. If it's helped you, honestly, I'd appreciate any likes and subscribes down at the bottom. If you want a comment or anything like that, I'd appreciate it. So until the next one, people, thank you very much for taking an interest, and I'll see you next one. Peace.